Yeah, so what I'm doing here, people, is I'm bogging it up. I had to jackhammer away the concrete. The owners, thinking they were doing the right thing, put the sheets up, but they've put them on the wrong way, but it doesn't matter because it's getting tiled. So if that was a painted wall, it would matter because it's a rougher surface. But because it's going behind tiles, it doesn't matter what way you put it. It doesn't matter, people. So it's all good. But what did matter is the sheet was bowing out like a dog's hind leg, bowed. And because the concrete was sticking out, and they thought they were doing the right thing and didn't see it, and it was a major bow, like 15-20 mil. But so I just cut the cement sheet roughly and jackhammered the concrete away, and now I'm bogging it up. So it's, you know, it's all hunky-dory. But this is what you get when you're in refurbishment and that sort of thing. Nothing's ever impossible to do. You just do it. And make sure it doesn't leak. Just run some poop over that. This is brilliant stuff, eh? Like major brilliant DIYs. But just keep an eye out, DIYs, keep an eye out when you're sheeting. Make sure there's nothing behind your sheet at the bottom. I see it a lot. I don't do new builds. I used to years ago, and the jib rockers would slap a sheet up, not brush along the bottom, and they're putting the sheet in, and it'd pick up all the stuff on the floor. Then people would wonder why the sheet's bowing out, you know. It's not rocket science. I'm going to be sloping my tile beauty boy. If you haven't subscribed, people, subscribe to my channel. You will learn heaps. There's heaps of videos to watch. There's heaps to learn. This is how you do it. Don't be afraid to use this stuff. It's magic. Where's my knife? Lucky I've got a few of them here. Slap it in. Put some gloves on. Nice. Come up above your shower and you're good to go. Where's my hammer? I've still got a limp from my friggin' back, hey? My hip is still sore. It'll come right. I wouldn't give it this much of a curve if I was doing Subway, but because I'm using bigger tiles, it doesn't matter. I can give it a good round curve. You don't have to have it pretty, DIYs. It's just got to be bowled up nicely. Don't leave any bits sticking out, of course. Like that, just smooth them off a bit. And then your hands are pretty good for clean. That's good. Another pair of gloves. Right, I'll do around that niche. Just like that. Just like that. Bog it up. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of it. Missed one. Right, round it all off. Never to leak, people. See, in America, their board they use is waterproof. This cement sheet isn't. But when you waterproof it, it damn well is then. But I'll say it again, people, it doesn't have to look pretty. All you're doing, what you're trying to achieve, is bog it, bog it. You're bogging it up, you're not a florist arranging a bouquet. Nice. Nice. There's a hole there. Get that hole. Bog up that hole. I said to the owners not to fill the joints, but they did. I wish they didn't actually, really. Because that's all I would have done to fill it. The gap like I did up there, but that's all right. Okay, what's the next important step, people? I've had a couple of comments on bogging up around these. You've got to. It's a must. It pisses the plumbers off, but hey, too bad. Sorry, plumbers. You get that? I better go before I give them the shits. See you soon. This is Chris O.